Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. And a while back, I made a video about making a 3D polygon, part one and part two, I guess. And a gentleman is asking how I rotated this line. And looking at the video, it either happened real quickly or I did it too quickly and maybe didn't explain it. And this is why I draw in the center of the page. I'm going to put that in the center of the page because that's pretty important. I'm just going to draw another line easier than, because that doesn't have to be perfect. The other one had uh, lines so I could tell, but I'm just going to make it a just kind of even line. I'm going to make it I'm going to make it red, and I'm going to make it a little thicker so you can see it on the video. And because I'm drawing in the center of the page, I can bring indexing lines and hit P, And then I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate of that guy and move the center rotation to the center. I always double check that it is. And then I'm going to, I can't remember, I already Control D, rotate it 60 degrees. And then all I did was hit Control D again. If it doesn't work, sometimes in Corel it doesn't work. Rotate it 120 degrees, and now it's going to work, Control D. Well, it's because I paused. Let me start all over. Move the center rotation to the center. Control D and make a duplicate. Rotate it 60. Control D, Control D, Control D. That time it worked. But if it doesn't work sometimes, and then you Control D, well, now it's going to work. Just rotate it 120 degrees and then go on and it should do it. Now, another way you could do that, and a lot of people would probably prefer it, if you have that item in the center of the page, you can go to Windows, Dockers, Transform, and we need rotation, and we need 60 degrees, and we need 5 of them because we already got one copy. So it does it that fast. So that's how I did it. I hope that answered that question, and thank you for watching.